Alright guys, welcome back to Underground Science, and in this video we're going to be talking about transition versus transversion mutations, okay? This shouldn't be that long of a video because what we need to know right away is that transition mutations are basically when you go from purine to purine or pyrimidine to pyrimidine, okay? And then transversion mutations are when you go from purine to pyrimidine or pyrimidine to purine, okay? So here's what I mean by that. So basically, if we take an example, right, like a quick example, so if we do like A, T, T, C, G or something like that, right, and then we said that this T changes from T to G, right, so T we know is a pyrimidine, G we know is a purine, so that's a pyrimidine to purine change, right, so that's called a transversion mutation, okay. And then if, let's say, we changed G to A, right? We know G is a purine, but A is also a purine, so that's a purine to purine change. So this would be a transition mutation, okay? Transition mutation. For example, if we change this A to a T, right? Then again, A is a purine, T is a pyrimidine, so this would be a transversion mutation, right? A to a T would be a transversion mutation because A is a purine, T is a pyrimidine. Okay, so basically that's basically it, right? If you took a pyrimidine like T and converted it to C, or if, let's say, something in the DNA or a mutation arised, right, in which T, the base T, right, thymine, got converted into cytosine, okay? But thymine is a pyrimidine, cytosine is a pyrimidine, right? So a thymine to cytosine conversion is a transition mutation because that's a pyrimidine to pyrimidine change, okay? So I'm pretty sure we understand that now, is that these, so like if these are our pyrimidines, right? Cytosine, thymine, uracil. Uracil is an RNA, not DNA, and then purines are adenine and guanine. So if we went from a guanine to a thymine, that's a transversion mutation. If we went from a cytosine to an adenine, that's a transversion mutation. If we went from a cytosine to thymine, right? So let's get rid of all these lines. If we went from cytosine to thymine, that's a pyrimidine to pyrimidine. So that's a transition mutation. If we went from purine to purine, right, adenine to guanine, that's a transition mutation, okay? So that's basically it. And then next future videos we'll be talking about different types of mutations that we should know, like frame shift mutations, missense, nonsense, and silent mutations. All right, so hope to see you guys.